Bluey and Bingo ran through the park shouting, "Adventure today!" Their paws hit the ground hard, ears flying. Suddenly a swirl of sparkles flashed and out stepped Kuromi with her cheeky grin. Bluey gasped, "Who are you?" Kuromi winked, "Your new partner in trouble." Could mystery arrive this fast? Then soft bells rang and my Melody appeared, carrying a pink basket of candy. Bingo clapped, "She looks so sweet." Melody smiled gentle, "Candy for brave friends." Kuromi snorted, "Sweet is boring. Let's cause mischief." Could differences crash this fun? Before they could argue, the sky opened and Cinnamoroll floated down with his giant floppy ears. Bluey shouted, "He's flying!" Cinna twirled, "Wanna ride the clouds?" Bingo yelled, "Yes," and jumped on. Could magic feel this real? Kuromi challenged, "Race me to the fountain." Instantly they all bolted, paws pounding, ears bouncing, laughter exploding. Melody stumbled but Bluey caught her, "Don't worry, we got you." Cinna zoomed ahead, Kuromi cheated with shortcuts, and Bingo screamed, "No fair." Could racing be this crazy? They reached the fountain together, splashing, water flying high. Melody tossed candies like fireworks, Kuromi stole some and cackled. Cinna made a rainbow arc with his ears. Bluey shouted, "This is the best day ever." Could joy burst this big? But suddenly dark clouds swirled. A booming voice growled, "Who dares to play in my park?" Everyone froze. Bingo whispered, "We're in trouble." Bluey stepped forward, chest proud, "We are friends, nothing scares us." Kuromi smirked, "About time for some chaos." Melody gripped her basket tight, Cinna flapped hard creating wind. Could teamwork beat the storm? Together they shouted, laughed, splashed, and pushed the dark away with pure friendship. The clouds cracked, sunlight poured, and the park glowed golden. Kuromi grinned, "Okay, you're not boring after all." Melody hugged Bluey, Cinna twirled, Bingo barked proud. Could victory taste this sweet? As the rainbow rose, Bluey looked right at you, smiling wide. If you cheered, laughed, and felt the magic, hit like, subscribe, and fly with us again. Next time, you might join the squad.